let's double check BTC with my custom indicator set. So recently I posted 2 videos about a BTC and I showed you we confirmed the signal take profit. So it's the third time, I guess, in history on the weekly time frame we confirmed the signal take profit from the sale. So usually after that sale, yes, we can go lower because any tweet, any post from the Donald Trump can dump the market again, or any situation in the world can change immediately and we can dump it again. But usually, historically, it's playing out like okay zone to buy. Will we hit the new all-time high or not? I have no idea, guys. Nobody knows the future, but at least we got this confirmation signal, and this signal I think will be confirmed this week. Still not closed because 3 days ongoing, but I think yes, we're gonna confirm the signal to buy on a weekly. And last time on the buy on the weekly, we saw it here. So it's a chart futures Binance. Maybe on the Bitstamp, it's a totally different one, but at least on the Binance here was a big profit, 1, 2, and the 4 weeks, and 1, 1, 2. This, yes, same story. Absolutely. After take profit signal, 4 weeks, and we get a signal to buy. Oh, no, 1, 2, 3. That time was 3, and here like 1, 2, 3. This is on the 4th. All right. Anyway, after that, we rebound from the signal to buy. We rebound 31% and crash it down again 18. Of course, it was the FTX collapse. Unpredictable move. So 31% should be test of it's not 100 EMA. Let's adjust it. Let's turn on the 50 and 100. I'll recommend you, by the way, use this set and use the EMA multi. So yes, it's going to be the test of 100 EMA on weekly, around 28%. So it should be like 83K. BDC1, I would like to show you. This is one BDC1 CMA. I showed you we get a gap. So I think more or less we get a yes chances to. Yes, I think we're going to close it like 81K, more than real to see. After that, we can see the one more correction, something like this one. And we should hold the line here, because if not, the roll will be open to the new lows. But I think till, I don't know, maybe even to 200 EMA, we can test 90K, for example, in this spring. And after that, we will see some like dash cross. People all the time love to share that dash cross. And let me check on how it's playing out usually. Dash cross here. Here what happened. So we rebound 31%, but the green one, it's a 50 EMA across the 100 EMA. This one, after, no, makes sense to count the days, but the fact. So buy, after that, it was the end of August. So I would not surprise if this time will be the same story. After that, some correction and FTX happened, right? And we start the new uptrend. So guys, I will be not surprised if now we go test 100 EMA. After that, test even 50 EMA. 81 close the CMA gap, close 84 gap, test 90. Everybody open late longs, and in summer we go into correction, because it could be the good move, because around the 50% pump on a BTC is pretty good. And after that, we can see the correction like pull back down 30%, dash cross, everybody in panic open short position, and maybe we will recover move again, but I don't think so. We're going to form something like similar move. No, I don't think so. But yes, I think we get all chances to hit the new highs, for example, in 2027. Why? Because I don't think so that cycles, that model of 4-year cycle works. I think it's just a myth. It just happened at one time or two times in the history, because the first 5 years, nobody count. People just want to see on the chart what they want to see. And let's take a look at the liquidation heat map now on the BTC. weekly. So I think, yes, of course, on this weekend, we can see the pullback down, even to 69 again, because now people up into late longs. But let's double check the levels above. And of course, we can trade long-term period, for example, in some ranges. It's more than okay. Monthly time frame, like you can see, a lot of liquidity will live at around 53K 800. So of course, it could be pretty hard drop if we dump it. By the way, we count from the buy 35 up, and if we dump 18 down, like previous time, yes, it could be the 53. Who knows? Maybe. And it's like 200 AMA on the monthly, around 46K. And if we check, oh yes, it's a bit stomp. Maybe. We already retested 200 AMA here. So would be good if we hold the line now and go higher. But we will see. Now let's work only with the local zone. So on the daily, guys, the main liquidity pool of the buy here, we already passed it, I guess. Almost. Maybe when I post the video, we already passed the 74. And the next step is 79 with a weak candle to close the CMA gap. So guys, I'll be not surprised if now we're gonna form something like this one and form the head and shoulder. And the summer we can drop even under the 58K, for example. But now let's just focus on this block. So liquidation, I showed you. Here is SI, guys. Take a look how everything absolutely so fast change in the crypto market. So just yesterday I showed you that a lot of tokens was oversold. Now mostly of them overbought. 24-hour time frame, weekly time frame, yes, a lot of still underwater. So globally, weekly time frame we use for investment, for the spot position, and the daily for intraday trades. Let's double check the ADZ and direction. We're not at the top, so it's not a sell zone on the daily, even on the daily, guys. No sell signals on the daily direction. Weekly time frame we're still in accumulation, so nothing bad happened. Of course, it's kind of sad. So everything in the market depends on the Donald Trump and the United States and situation in the world, you know. So we can't trade just normally the decentralized assets. But time to sell will be again when we will see, like last time, a preparation this summer and sell off in September. So I wish to see the same story, like pump, the sideways, and preparation to sell. Maybe even new high or new all-time high or 103K, and after that drop. If we bounce to, for example, 103K, and it can be the cat bounce, right? Anyway, we need to fix profit. The still open the question, what will happen with the alts this time? Weekly time frame, guys, BTC USD on a beat stamp. So it's the oldest chart. Take a look. From the area, we dump it to the capitulation zone, and now it's just a disbelief. So it's not even close to the hope. That's why it's kind of positive. And two last indicators, money power. Yes, money in 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row, money in, pump, reject because of war, and run starts, and now we go higher. So no signals to sell. So add alerts, I added alerts and waited. So I recommend you to do the same, guys. And the take profit indicator, this kind of good because you saw it. We tested the buy line in the weekly. We saw that signal take profit, so we need to close all short positions. So now the road can be open at least to the 50% of this range between the buy line and the take profit, or even to test the take profit like 120. But lines are dynamic, and maybe in the next few weeks or the months, this line will be around 103K. So just for example, the lines can move like this one. For example, we can rebound and drop and keep the structure, downtrend structure. So now all eyes on how we're going to close this weekend and this week. But I hope we're going to test 81K CMA gap on the weekly. We're going to close. And after that, we need to see what's going on in the world And there's some news from Donald Trump. I think everything will be okay in the next few months. Next 7 days, I still got this 30% off for all my indicator sets. So if you like to trade it and add it into your trading strategy, just write me DM. See you next time, guys.